How to change car color in Uber Driver app. Open the Uber Driver app on your smartphone, tap on your profile icon that's located in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Vehicles or Manage Vehicles. To update your vehicle color, look for the option to update or add a vehicle, then choose to update the color. Select the vehicle you want to update, then pick the correct exterior color from the listed options. Scroll down and hit the Submit button to confirm your color change. If you want to change your vehicle completely, tap Add a Vehicle, fill in the required information, including make, model, license plate, and upload any necessary documents. Select the new vehicle as your active vehicle in the app after submission. You can also remove or update any old vehicle if needed by using the Edit or Remove options in the vehicle section. Always enter accurate information and upload valid documents to comply with Uber policies and local laws. Wait for Uber to review and approve your changes. Note that some drivers have reported that changing just the vehicle color in the app can be tricky and may require deleting the vehicle and adding it again with the correct color if the app doesn't accept the change. Subscribe.